So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series HTML second video. What is a web page? So your web page is nothing but a content which will tell you or describe about your business or your product. That is called as web page. The consolidation, the grouping up of, the linking of web pages is called as website. A web page can have the header where you'll have the you'll have the menus and everything, your logo and everything, and you got the content page where you got the contents, and you got the footer where you got contact us and other information, copyrights information, and social share network, share links, and everything is there. So the web pages can be classified into three major areas. Okay, and this is kind of a standard. On the other end, once the web pages are there, I can have the linking the web pages. Once if you start linking it, it will become the entire website. And everything, the content designings and linking, everything can be defined using the language called a hypertext markup language, HTML. Okay, and on the other end, so once Venkat is there, kashiwinfra.com, once if you give the website name, it is redirect to the web server, where the web server will show you a page. And the first page which is shown is called as home page, or maybe an index page. From there, the navigation of other pages will happen. This is how the web pages are created. Over here, you are able to see it here, what is a web page. Go to this link, what is a web page. On clicking this one, just scroll down, you are able to see a sample web page. This is a kind of a standard. Every company will have different standards. You can have a search bar here. This is your website URL, uniform resource locator, and this is your logo. This is the site navigation, and here is the content page. The content may have the advertisements, the textual content, social sharing networks, everything is there. This is how a sample web page is. So the web pages samples can be differed based on the owner's thoughts. Okay, and this is one of the sample. I get a lot of the information to you. Just check it out and get an idea.